Need a little lunchbox inspiration for yourself and for your kids? Well, I have the perfect solution. These are my tasty frittata muffins. So in a bowl, I'm going to add 3 eggs. We'll crack them in. And this is essentially a frittata, but we're going to make them into muffins so they're easy to transport, easy to pack. So into this, I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream. I like that rich flavour, and add a generous dollop. And using a whisk, we'll whisk this together. Really whisk that until all of the egg yolks, egg whites are bound together. And that's a fantastic base for our frittata. Now, to bind everything together, I'm going to add some flour, and all you need is 1/4 cup of plain flour to really ensure that this holds together. So we'll measure that out and in with our flour. I also like a little bit of baking powder. That's just going to help it fluff up and puff. So in that goes. Give everything a really good mix. Okay, that's the base done. Now this is where it gets exciting. You can add any flavours you like. Because they're for the kiddies though, I want to add as many vegetables as possible. Sweet vegetables like carrot, so grated carrot. Also some zucchini, I've grated that. So we're going to keep it quite simple with 3 veggies. And the third one, just some spinach. In that goes. Great, the last thing I'm going to add is a generous handful of cheese. And now we're going to fold all of this together. Once it's evenly distributed, this goes into a muffin tin. I've got a 6-hole muffin tin here. I've also just placed in some casings, and then these go into the oven. They're going to cook for about 30 minutes. Frittata muffins are ready. I've allowed them to cool down. Look at these, they look fantastic. I'm just going to peel away one of the pieces of paper just to show you how super moist they are. I love these because they're packed full of vegetables, lots of cheese in there, and that little bit of flour has bound it all together. Pop that in a lunchbox and you can see you don't need a sandwich. You can substitute it with these delicious veggie frittatas.